Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny appear on top access in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open the app in which you want to allow or deny appear on the top access. Now after opening the app, scroll down. So some apps doesn't support this feature, so open the app in which you want to allow or deny appear on the top access. Now after opening the app, scroll down and here you will see a appear on top option. So click on this appear on top option and here you will see a allow permissions button. So if you want to deny the appear on top access, then turn off this button, and if you want to allow this app to appear on the top, then tap on this button again to give it access. So with this button you can allow or deny appear on the top access in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.